Hi, good morning. How are you? Fine. Okay. Okay, today we will be continuing our chapter. Oh, I am so hungry. What to do? I cannot continue the class. Okay, I will eat and come. You saw that video, right? Whatever I have done. So why I did? Do you know? See, if we are eating more food, that same, see, biryani, every time chicken, if you are eating that type of food and all, what happens is that you will become more fatter. You can't walk, you can't run, you will be very tired. Okay, you will be very tired. So like that way, many problem will face. So for that we say your body is obese. So your body is obese, you get shapeless body. Okay, so that is what we have to do is we have to eat correct proportions of food. Okay, so what is that equal proportion of food? Why we have to take equal proportions of food? That is, we should have a balanced diet. Okay, so today we are going to study only about the balanced diet. Okay, with all these activities, what is this balanced diet? That means equal proportions of food should be taken. So we have studied three kinds of food, isn't it? So let me say these three kinds of foods, if you are taking in equal proportion, okay, what is that equal proportion? That means if you are taking in equal amount, okay, if you are taking equal amount, then your body will be balanced. Okay, you will have a proper diet. You will not put on more weight. Okay, you will not become more fatty. Okay, you will not become more thin if you are not. So, eating less food or eating more food, both are also harmful to our body. If we eat less food, we will get diseases. If we eat more food, again we will get diseases, isn't it? So that is why, so in between, so less and more. So middle which comes is that a balanced diet. Okay, what is the definition of balanced diet? So three kinds of food, if you are eating in equal proportion, in equal amount, is said to be a balanced diet. Okay, in a balanced diet means three kinds of food eating in an equal amount is said to be a balanced diet. This is what I said three kinds of food. What is that three kinds of food? Bodybuilding food plus energy giving food plus protective food gives us a balanced diet. If you are eating it in an equal amount, we will get a balanced diet. We will get a proper food, proper kinds of food, and also we will be very energetic. We won't get more diseases. Okay, this is all about the balanced diet. So let me show some of the do and don't of food. The eating of food, which we should eat the food, we should not eat the food, which we should not eat the food. Okay. Okay, did you enjoy the videos? Okay, so this is what I have meant to say about the balanced diet. I hope you all understood. Okay, very good. Okay, so you study well, okay, and you have to practice in your home also eating equal proportions of food. Don't eat only biryani, don't eat only chicken. Okay, mama I want chicken or mama I want omelette every day. Eat all. Fruits you have to eat vegetable, you have to eat non-vegetables, everything in an equal amount. That means your body will be fit. Okay, so for today the class is over. So next I'll be coming in a next ideas. Okay, thank you, bye bye.